Welcome guys, today I will show you how to take screenshots of one-time image sent by WhatsApp and screen record one-time videos on WhatsApp. It is a simple process, but first of all I need to mention that this is for educational purposes only and I am not responsible for any personal issues arise from this trick. Let me show you what is one-time means. Photos sent like this one, and when you take a screenshot of them it will show you a black screen only and the photo will not be visible to anyone. So I will show you how to take photos visible with details. First of all, you need to download files in my Telegram. I have link in the description. First of all, this one and this one. You have to download these two modules. After downloading these two modules, you have to open Magisk Manager. After opening Magisk Manager, you have to go to module section right here, module section. Then you need to install from storage. Press install from storage. Then you will be right here and you have to scroll down to download and Telegram. Then you will see this file and this one. So before you do anything else, you need to install this one, Magisk Boot Loop Protector. Install Magisk Boot Protector. Then you need to press volume up to change selection. Then you will see number 2, yes, patch my boot image. Then you need to press volume down key. Then you need to press reboot. Hi guys, this is after reboot. Then you have to go back to Magisk Manager and you will see now there's this Magisk Boot Loop Protector installed. Make sure that it is enabled. Then you have to go to again install from storage, and this time you need to select disable flag security. Then you guys need to press volume up key. After it is done, listen carefully. If when you reboot your device, if your device don't reboot correctly, don't do anything, just wait. It will automatically restart again. If it becomes a boot loop, it will restart again, and this time it will restart your system. So don't press anything if the phone isn't restarting correctly. It will automatically be fixed. And the downside is that this module will not work on those boot loop devices, because that device doesn't support secure flag, or that OS doesn't support secure flag. That's my knowledge. I don't know what's actually going on. So when I reboot, I will show you the result. Guys, this is after I rebooted my device. I will show you when I go this, and when I take a screenshot, now you see that the screenshot is with details and no black screens. So thank you guys for watching. See you in next video. Watch my other contents too. Like and share video. Subscribe.